More room, more capability, and a dramatic new design inside and out. When it came time for us to redesign one of our best-selling models, our designers and engineers really pulled out all the stops because this update is about as big as they come. And I'm going to walk you through this incredible pair of SUVs in this special double feature edition of Hyundai Showroom Walkaround. I'm Gian, your product specialist and host, and this is the 2024 Santafe Calligraphy and the 2024 Santafe Hybrid Calligraphy. As you can see, just from their exteriors, they've been completely redesigned, and they look absolutely incredible with their larger, more rugged appearance and bold, powerful stance. And the same holds true with the inside, with roomier interiors that are more upscale and more modern than ever. But the biggest news, and this is huge, they now come with a third row of seating. And better yet, that third row is standard. We heard you ask for it, and these Santa Fes deliver. So let's go ahead and check them out, starting with the amazing exterior design. It's much bolder with a more aggressive and rugged presence. At the same time, it has a more premium appearance and is more modern looking when compared to the 2023 model. This is the result of all the attention our designers spent on details, like aggressive proportions, measuring nearly 2 inches longer in the wheelbase and overall length, a shorter front overhang, a bold roofline and beltline, which creates a powerful, solid appearance, prominent wheel arches, which exudes a tough, confident stance, and the premium 21-inch alloy wheel design, exclusive to the calligraphy with the stealth black finish. At the front, a modern, minimalist design in the front fascia. Unique design elements form multiple H motifs. DRLs on either end each form a small H. The connecting DRL through the grille forms a larger H. And the lower bumper garnish yet another H. The horizontal LED headlights integrated within the smaller HDRLs, the geometric grille pattern, and a high hood with pronounced fenders that give it that huge presence. The Santa Fe Hybrid has all the same design cues as the gas model, including these available features, like the glossy black lower door trim, power folding side mirrors, roof side rails, a rear quarter glass that's 48% larger than the 2023 model. And the biggest difference between these two calligraphy vehicles, and the easiest way to tell them apart, is the unique 20-inch dark alloy wheels. And the amazing design touches continue in the rear, including the unique H-shaped LED taillights, LED turn signals integrated into the rear bumper, and the new larger, modern font for the Santa Fe lettering. And for your convenience, they both come standard with a hands-free smart liftgate with auto open, or you can use the key fob or press the button. Now this liftgate is height adjustable and speed adjustable. You see the wide opening to maximize rear loading. Plus, you get 14.6 cubic feet of cargo room behind the third row. And when you need more cargo room, there's 40.5 cubic feet of space with the third row fully lowered, which is 4.1 cubic feet more than the equivalent space in the 2023 model. Now, speaking of loading, when it's time to head out of town and you got to throw your bulkiest items on the roof, you're going to get the available hidden assist handle within the C-pillar, making it easier to load and unload cargo up here. Now, let's take a look at the all-new upscale interior. It comes with an integrated memory seat system, beautiful premium quilted Napa leather seating surfaces, and it's roomier than the 2023 model, with more leg and shoulder room in the first two rows, and the third row is standard. And speaking of roominess, notice how much space there is up here? That's because there isn't a traditional gear shifter to get in the way. The new column-mounted shift-by-wire gear selector frees up the area between the seats. Now, both the calligraphy and hybrid calligraphy come standard with some pretty cool features you can't get on some of the lower trims, like the dual automatic climate control with a 6.6-inch touchscreen, 64 different colors to choose from with your ambient interior lighting. You even get a UV sanitizer to disinfect your devices in the dash. As we look above, you get the available extra large dual pane sunroof. It's power tilt and slide in the front and fixed in the rear. And the wide design lets in more light and air. And the rear seating areas come with their own perks. You get standard third row seating with recline that allows for seating for 6 in the calligraphy trim with the second row captain's chairs, or up to 7 in the lower trims with the second row bench seating. A unique bi-directional multi-console with a reverse hinge lid that's accessible by the second row passengers. Modern USB-C charging ports integrated in the back of the first row seats for easy access. And while the all-new interior is quite impressive, its incredible technology is where Santa Fe really shines. As we take a look at the panoramic curved display with available 12.3-inch touchscreen navigation, the available Bose 12-speaker premium audio, it even has our all-new available Hyundai Pay, which lets you pay for parking in select lots and garages directly through your Santa Fe. There's also an available 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and in-vehicle Wi-Fi hotspot capability. Plus, with standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you never have to plug in. Speaking of wireless, available dual wireless smartphone charging pad, enabling you to charge 2 phones at once. You also get our BlueLink connected car system, where you can remotely access your Santa Fe through your compatible smartphone, lock and unlock the doors, remote climate control, find where you last parked, and more, all at no additional cost. And the tech doesn't end there, because there's over-the-air software updates, an available head-up display, and up to 6 modern USB-C ports so everyone can keep their devices charged. With the available Hyundai Digital Key 2 Premium, it allows you to use your smartphone to unlock the doors and start the motor. It's compatible with select iPhone models, Apple Watches, and Android phones. And since it has ultra-wideband, it even works with the key in your pocket or purse. Next, we have the available remote smart parking assist, which allows you to park the Santa Fe even when you're outside of it. Press and hold a button on the key fob, the Santa Fe can pull straight in or reverse out of a parking spot, perfect when getting into those tight places. When it comes to the performance, Santa Fe delivers. So let's take a look at the specs, starting with the gas powertrain. It features a powerful and responsive 2.5-liter turbo 4-cylinder SmartStream GDI engine, putting out 277 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. It also comes with an 8-speed wet-type dual-clutch automatic transmission with paddle shifters, and it can tow up to 3,500 pounds. Over here, we have the advanced hybrid powertrain, which features a 1.6-liter turbo 4-cylinder plus a 44.2 kilowatt electric motor, giving you a combined 231 horsepower and 271 pound-feet of torque. It's made it to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission and can tow up to 2,000 pounds. Now, regardless of which Santa Fe you choose, they all come standard with front-wheel drive, and H-Track all-wheel drive is available on all trim levels. And when you're ready to tailor the Santa Fe to your driving, you're gonna love the Drive Mode Select, which include comfort, sport, and smart modes. Now, when it comes to safety, the Santa Fe's offer you a standard suite of Hyundai SmartSense safety features and some available advanced features, such as forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian detection, cyclist detection, and junction turning, lane keeping assist, lane following assist, a surround view monitor, and a blind spot view monitor, just to name a few. And there's some perks that come along with owning a Hyundai, such as America's Best Warranty, which includes a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, a 5-year, 60,000-mile new vehicle limited warranty, and the Santa Fe Hybrid will also come with a 10-year, 100,000-mile hybrid battery limited warranty. Now, both Santa Fe's come with Hyundai's complimentary maintenance for the first 3 years or 36,000 miles. And since Hyundai cares about giving you the highest quality vehicles, we even produce our own advanced high-strength steel, which makes every Santa Fe very strong and very light. So there you have it. The all-new 2024 Santa Fe gives you the perfect blend of off-road ruggedness and premium style, combined with some of our latest tech and safety features, and your choice of gas or hybrid powertrains. And now that you also get a third row of seating, these incredible SUVs are more capable than ever. So they're ready to take on just about anything.